When we discuss about women, we discuss about inspiration. When we discuss about entrepreneurship, we discuss about inspiration and innovation. And together, when we discuss about women opportunities, women entrepreneurship, and opportunities in India, we are discussing about growing. We're discussing about our own ecosystem. Today, we have 13.5 to 15.7 million women owned enterprises, representing 20% of total enterprises, an increase from 14% a decade back. Still, a challenge exists. While women in India are ambitious, it has been challenging for them to contribute significantly to the economy, owing to several structural and societal barriers existing in our country, and societal terms, unconscious biases, gender pay gaps, unfavorable working conditions, and lack of financial support. Now, when we talk about women entrepreneurships, we talk about the categories. We can break them into where they grow each other. First category, established in big cities, having higher level technical and professional qualifications and non-traditional items, sound financial problems and positions. The second category, established in cities and towns, having sufficient education, both traditional and non-traditional items, undertaking women to services like kindergarten, creches, beauty parlors, and health clinic. Third category, illiterate women, which are they're more financially weak but involved in finances in their family businesses. So when we talk about businesses here, we talking about agriculture, horticulture, animal husbandry, dairy products, and fisheries, handlooms. Women entrepreneurships can make a huge difference in India. How we discuss on them, job creations, when we create jobs for them, when we give them new age design skills, when we give them new mappings, when we give them more of independence and more of ecosystem where they can grow themselves, and they realize how they have to encourage each other, and innovation in areas related to women, childcare, parenting, home, and management. Problems are definitely faced by women entrepreneurs, like they need setup for their finances, working capital management, marketing skills, access to technology, regulatory entrepreneurships, requirements, management skills, lack of confidence. So how do we cover all this? Mentors. Here we are talking on mentoring entrepreneurs. So when we talk about women entrepreneurships, some interventions are definitely required. They should be focused on mentoring women entrepreneurs. We have few government policies, Niti Aayog and UNDP have programs to support women entrepreneurs, and they can help provide access to networks and platforms. Women should have orientations, they should be encouraged as well as more promoted to get opportunities. Few policies that encourage women or drive them to work harder towards their entrepreneurial ventures can be extremely important, as preference loans, different types of schemes, greater tax incentives, opportunities related loan skilling, government schemes to provide financial assistance to women will be grateful help. Societal steps and initiatives would be equally important to provide greater and wider opportunities to women so that they can actually unleash their true potential and work towards the thriving and in this male-centric entrepreneurship world ecosystem. And overall gender balance in the Indian ecosystem can extremely be helpful and can lead to transformation and advancement and innovation as well. An economy where we all grow together, which has a better gender mix and entrepreneurships, see a surge to creativity and innovation and technological replacements and advancement. The specific role of women in economic effort has not yet been clearly defined, but yes, they are supporting each other. The need for integration of women into development is being particularly felt by women themselves. Developing women entrepreneurs and budding women entrepreneurs is extremely important. Consider women as specific target group for all development programs, adequate training programs or management skills to be provided to women community, encourage women participation in decision making, training on professional competence and leadership skills to be extended to women entrepreneurs. There are 4 opportunities which really need to be unblocked for the potential of women in entrepreneurship in India, level the playing field for the high impact employment creating entrepreneurs, enable the willing middle, the ambitious solopreneurs, and small business owners to scale and become high impact entrepreneurs, expand the funnel to get more women to start enterprises, build strength, and scale productive entrepreneurs here. Entrepreneurship can grow more when we realize that we can do it, when we know that we are here to support each other.